Hello everyone, welcome back in Python tutorials for beginner series. In this video tutorial, we will see how to save and run Python program so that we can use or run that program in future. Right? So far, we have played around with Python commands and small programs in the Python shell, right? But we have not saved any program. Whenever you close this Python shell, whatever you have written in Python shell, it will be lost because it is not saved anywhere. So we need to save our Python program somewhere so that we can use that program in future. Okay, let's try to make a new file of Python program, and whenever it is needed, we can use it. And there is no worry to close this Python shell window. So how to do this? How to save and run Python program? Just open this Python shell using ideally Python GUI. Okay, then just go to file here and click on new file. A new file window will open and we can save this file as a Python file. But before saving, first we need to write some code. Let's say I want to know which is the smallest number in out of three numbers. So for that, I have written these three statements. Through these three statements, I am collecting three values, which is given by user input, and then typecasted to integer. And after that, I am calling min function, which will give the smallest number in out of three numbers. Okay. Now let's try to save this first. So just go to File tab and click Save As. And in here, choose the location for Python file where you want to save and give the name of your Python file. For example, I gave demo. And also make sure this file should be saved as type is Python file, which is either .py or .pyw file here. And then click on Save button, it will save your file. Now once your file is saved, you can just run it. For that, just go to Run tab and inside this, just click on Run Module or F5 key. Here I am going to run my module like this. So here it is asking me to enter three numbers. For example, I gave first 45, then second 58 and third number is 25. And then it gives me output that is smallest number out of these three numbers is 25. Okay, so this is the one way to run Python program using ideally Python GUI. We can also run Python program directly. For that, just go to that location wherever you have saved your Python file. Okay, so this is the location where I have saved my Python file. Just double click on that, or we can do right click and open. So it will open Python command window directly. No need to use Python shell. Okay, so here just enter first number, second number and third number and press enter. Oh, have you noticed it? Python command window close automatically. We are not able to see output. So for that we need to do some correction in our program. So what we can do is we need to do something so that it can stay. Python command window should not exit instantly. For that I am going to write code here. So here I am writing input and I am giving here a string that please enter to exit. And this statement will keep your screen on, and until or unless you press enter, our screen will not exit. Okay, so just save your program and then double click on that. Okay, and it is asking three numbers again. Give three numbers and then press enter. Now we can see the output, which is 25, which is the smallest number out of three numbers. Now we can see Python command window is not closed automatically. We can see the output here, which is 25, which is the smallest number out of three numbers which I have given. And below we can see this option, please press enter to exit. And when I press enter or any other key, I will exit from my Python code. Right? As I told you, have you remember, Python programs are not compiled. It runs directly. We can see errors directly in runtime. Correct? So here we can see Python program is running directly after double click on Python file. and if any error occurs, we can see in runtime only. If you want to edit anything in the program, just right click and you can see edit with Python IDLE. Just click on that, it will open editor, do changes as per your requirement and then again save the program through file tab. And after that you can run your Python program. Okay, so in this way we can write, save and run our Python program. I hope you understand this concept. I hope you like this video. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.